Here is a matching type question on general organic chemistry. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us first understand the key concept here. The acidity of carboxylic acids is governed by inductive field effects of electronegative substituents like Br. More electronegative substituents closer to the Co group stabilize the carboxylate anion more, increasing acidity. Multiple substituents increase acidity more than one. Distance reduces the inductive effect. Part A. All four compounds are bromocyclohexane carboxylic acids, or a bicyclic variant. The key factors are 1. Number of bonds between Br and Co closer is equal to more acidic, and 2. Geometry conformation affecting through space field effect. 4. 1. Bromobicyclo, 2.2.1, heptane, 2 carboxylic acid, norbornane system. Br is at the bridgehead, C1, and Co is at C2, so Br is on the alpha carbon relative to Co, very close, and the rigid bicyclic structure holds Br in a fixed geometry with a strong through-space field effect toward the carboxylate. This makes it the most acidic. 2. 1. Bromocyclohexane, 1 carboxylic acid. Br is on the same carbon as Co, alpha position, giving a strong inductive effect. This is the second most acidic. 3. Bromocyclohexane, 1 carboxylic acid. Br is at C3, 2 carbons away from Co, beta position. The inductive effect is attenuated. Third most acidic. 3. 4. Bromocyclohexane, 1 carboxylic acid. Br is at C4, 3 carbons away from Co. The inductive effect is most attenuated. Least acidic. Ranking A4 to I3. Part B. All compounds are alpha substituted acetic propanoic butanoic acids. Key factor: number of Br atoms on or near the alpha carbon. 3. Has 3 Br atoms, 2 on alpha carbon, 1 on beta carbon. Strongest combined inductive effect. Most acidic. 4. Has 2 Br atoms on alpha carbon plus 1 Br on beta carbon. Weight: examining structure, alpha carbon has 2 Br, and the chain has 1 more Br on beta. Actually comparing, 3 and 4 both appear to have 3 Br total but differ in placement. 3. Has Br on alpha and Br on the next carbon, closer arrangement or same number. 4. Has Br on alpha and 1 Br further along chain. Since 3 has all Br atoms in closest proximity to Co, it is more acidic than 4. Second most acidic, 4. Has 1 Br on alpha carbon plus alkyl groups, methyl and ethyl. Moderate inductive effect. Third most acidic. 2. Pivalic acid, no Br, only methyl groups which are electron donating, slightly destabilize carboxylate. Least acidic. Ranking B3 4 I2. Therefore, the correct answer is A4 2 I3 B3 4 I2. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches 4 2 I3, B matches 3 4 I2.